Welcome back everyone to the weekly analysis of gold and silver. First we will look into the silver. In this instrument the price is currently in the uptrend. I have elaborated a bit more in my previous videos, so feel free to check it. The silver price, it just keeps buying. The price, it actually have to drop more and then we see a retest and then we see a drop. Only if then we shall consider to sell actually. Or in case the market it has to drop big and it has to close here in weekly and monthly aspect. There are various factors we will consider in the future if the market is in the sell trend. So as of now it is moving up. So we'll be looking to buy every dips here actually. So let's move into the H4 time frame. Here we can see it's forming a pattern here. We can see the price rejections in the H1 time frame. We can consider this too. First 1, 2, 3, 4. So the price, it can break here, it can take the liquidity here, it could drop. It is not necessary that the price can drop huge, but if the price had an initial drop, something like this, again it breaks up this high. When the price forms a new high here, we will see a candle something like this. When it drops and again when it pushes up, we might like to buy here in this region. If the price didn't stop here and it just keeps falling, in that case we will be looking to short. Anyways, we will try to scalp a bit of pips here and will decide based on the further price confirmations. Price in this time frame H1, H4, we can see it's actually ranging from here to here. To be more accurate and precise, you can say from here to here. The price, it's actually ranging. So we'll see one more drop here and then we'll pick up some liquidity here. It will decide here in this region. The price is in overall buy trend, so it's wiser to wait for the confirmations and see if there is any buy entry here and go for buy again. If not, if in case the market it drops big, something like this, so we might consider to sell based on the weekly close and the daily close and the confirmations and the correlations which we get in this area. So if any such happens, I will update in my Telegram. If not, I will update in this weekly analysis video. We'll look into my encoder calculations. The encoder calculations which you are seeing in the silver, it is same. There is no changes as of now. If there is any instant changes, I will update in my Telegram price action expert channel. Earlier we have discussed the pattern. We can see the price rejection here. It hasn't retested here, so then the price now it's trying to touch the 28.092 and we will see a rejection right here. It is a very good level. I have forecasted this 2 weeks earlier. We can see the price went up here, it couldn't actually, again it dropped up down. It's ranging in between these two prices actually. Here it tried to break but it couldn't. Again the price pushed on, it went up. So it's struggling. It's very clear the price is walking these lines very nicely. That's it for silver. We'll look into the gold market now. Okay, in gold, previous videos I have mentioned that it's actually ranging in between this trend line. Earlier this was our target actually for the buy. From here it reaches and now it actually went up and we saw a retest in the channel and the price is pushing up right now. I have mentioned many times in my previous video that 1880 would be the level that is here. We will see an instant price reaction when the price reaches. You can see here when the price reaches the 1880 level, we saw an instant drop of almost 160 to 170 pips here, and after that from here it again bounced back and it is now pushing up more. So in daily we see that the price is likely to hold in this region almost. So it is a take profit area. I would suggest you to book your profits here. If you are in buy, just use trail stops, and there is a very good chance the market might retrace from this area. The buy trend, it is very much active now. If you just copy this trend line and see here, the price is ranging in between this. So it's trying to break here. The daily close, it didn't happen today. The price as of now in this daily price, it is pushing up. So we might see a little bit of retracement here. This is a very important decision area. Okay, let's move on to the encoder calculation. This is my encoder levels. The price rejected here and it went up and it just keep pushing. So 1900, there is one more calculation in that area. The market is most likely to hold here and it will hold in the upcoming days and weeks. If the price, in case if it gets pushed up more, it could actually come back here and it will range at this level, 1900 to 1895 level, or it could form a manipulation pattern. From there again it could drop, it could retest this price. From there we could see a little bit of retracement here or up to here even. So it's too soon to say. As of now the price, it's clearly pushing up, so I wouldn't be taking any sells at this region. So based on the confirmations we get in this region, we will decide. Till then, if you are in buy, you can book your profits here. If not sure, just stay out of the market, and if there is any instant updates, I will update in my Telegram. This is my Telegram channel, Price Action Expert. Daily and instant updates with many explanations will be provided here. So do join the channel. If you have any doubts, you can click this and you can contact me directly. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care.